Looking for bold, dramatic lashes without the hassle of falsies? Look here! Reason number 1. Achieve stunning volume and length with the conic fiber brush. Reason number 2. Say goodbye to clumps and globs for a flawless lash look. Reason number 3. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and packed with clean ingredients. The Lash Princess Mascara gives you a false lash effect in seconds. Perfect for beauty lovers who want bold, eye-catching lashes every day. Certified by PETA, Essence Cosmetics never tests on animals. Feel good using it. No gluten, silicones, or microplastics. Just clean beauty for your lashes. Made in Luxembourg, this mascara combines quality and performance effortlessly. Ready to elevate your lash game? Grab your Lash Princess Mascara today. Click now to shop and experience the dramatic lash transformation yourself. Your bold, beautiful lashes are just one swipe away. Don't wait. Find the product link in the description.